They're all in line. And they're off. And a good even start. Polynesian Sunset, Nicole Song flashing some speed. Here comes Ben's Tune from the outside, and one off the fence is Très Bien Ensemble. They make their way down the chute, and it's Polynesian Sunset, just a narrow leader from Très Bien Ensemble. Nicole's Song just behind them third. Ben's Tune is up on the outside. Then Antonova. Excessive Heat will try to win it from off the pace today. She's now 5 lengths off the lead. Then it's Pin Free outside of Wise Cookie. Robbie's Gal has 2 beaten at this point. They are Gianna's Reprised and Okie Finoki. The opening quarter was 23 seconds flat, and the fillies move for the backstretch run. Polynesian Sunset and Très Bien Ensemble. Nothing between these two as they straighten away, and they've opened up 3 lengths now on Nicole's Song in third. Ben's Tune is up on her outside. Then Antonova outside of Excessive Heat. Wise Cookie is on the move. There goes Wise Cookie on the extreme outside within about 4 lengths of the leaders. Robbie's Gal is also starting to get closer. Gianna's Reprised is in amongst fillies right now. Then Pin Free, Okie Finoki trails. Much closer order through a half of 47-4. They move for the far turn. Still Polynesian Sunset and Très Bien Ensemble 1-2. Polynesian Sunset trying to get away. It's Polynesian Sunset now. Robbie's Gal is on the move. And Robbie's Gal in a blink of an eye has gone all the way up into second. She's right up outside the leaders. Gianna's Reprised is closing with good fervor as well. They're at the top of the lane. Robbie's Gal is taken over. Gianna's Reprised quickly on the attack. It's Robbie's Gal, Gianna's Reprised. Nicole's Song runs along third. Nothing left for Polynesian Sunset. And Robbie's Gal is getting away under Jose Lezcano. Robbie's Gal hugging the hedge. Nicole's Song taking up the chase. Here comes Okie Finoki from the back of the pack, but Robbie's Gal has got it, and Robbie's Gal wins the Live Oak Georgia debutante.